What's going on, Schmo Army? This is your captain speaking, Schmojo14. You're either here because you know me, you want to get to know me, or you're probably just legitimately interested in the title of it, eBay Lighting Kit. So today we're taking a look at the cheapest 3-point lighting kit that I could find on eBay. It's here and we're going to put it to use. And we're going to give it our best shot to get rid of this harsh table lamp without a shade cover lighting. So without further ado, roll the intro, we'll get into it. Today's video is brought to you by No, but for real, who's got 2 thumbs and could use a sponsor? Probably a lot of people, but I'd like to think it's me. Alright kids, here it is, the one you've all been waiting for. We got ourselves the Giauxio 10. Not sure. Anyway, the Photography Photo Portrait Studio 600 watt daylight umbrella light kit. Here she is in all of her glory. What do you get, you might ask? 2 umbrellas, 2 stands, 3 light bulbs, a little stand, some more crap, another bag full of crap, all for $38.99. So one day you sit down and you say, you know what? I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. So you come in the office, turn on the overhead lights, take a lampshade off of a lamp, fire it up, and you get this. Then you have a moment and realize, I could do better. So then I found out they got this fancy thing called the internet. Hopped on right on, ebay.com, cha-ching. And we found ourselves the cheapest 3-point umbrella lighting kit eBay has to offer. So after you get it out of the box, this is what you got going on. Let's take a look inside. That Velcro dough. Oh, well, that's underwhelming. So inside, I'll give it my best to show you what I got going. As promised, 2 lovely white umbrellas and a whole bunch of boxes. Inside these boxes, look at that, they're little light bulbs. So inside, 5,500 Kelvin temperature bulbs, 45 watts apiece, CFL. Another bulb, another bulb. What's in this box? So I probably should have taken these out and looked at them beforehand so they wouldn't make so much crinkly noise, but you know you like it. You guys like my ASMR? It pets the dog. You'd think I would have brought some scissors. We have our first lamp housing, convenient on-off switch. Looks to be glass reinforced ABS plastic. We also have our pole mount, some decently gauged wire. Don't like that it's a non-grounded pin, but hey, $38.99. You can't get everything you want, right? 2 more light housings. First up, we got our smallest tripod here. It's adjustable from 80 centimeters to 200 centimeters, or 31 inches to 78 inches for us here in America. Here we are. Insert sweet sword sounds. So right off the hop, I can tell you, aluminum construction, nice fold out mechanism on it. Got an unlocking and locking tabature. I'm not sure if this is visible to you. Hopefully we're doing okay. Can I get a nod? Okay. So I can tell you injection molded plastic fittings, not drilled. And the flashing hasn't been cleaned off super well, but feels stout nonetheless. We've got riveted connections, 6 of them to be exact, with a tightening collet that allows you to clamp down onto the actual base itself. The top is a plastic clasp as well, with an aluminum rod inside. On top we have what looks to be a piece of aluminum that actually has been turned on a lathe. Lots of tooling marks in it, but overall just to hold on to, no big deal. Next up we have the 2 tallest stands, measuring 30 to 86.5 inches, both adjustable. I'm not going to take you through opening both of these. I got to assume quality is similar. Last but not least, 2 silica gel packets. Don't let the little ones get those. Let's go ahead and get these set up and see if we can change how this looks. I'd like to do some before and after for you, so hopefully we'll see what happens. Before, this is with the lampshade off as well as the overhead light. Or even worse, you can have the nasty glow from your computer screen and just the light that lights the dungeon here. Alright guys, well here it is. I'm going to try to give you a live picture-in-picture shot of it because they're a little bit intimidating once you get them up in your face. Hopefully they're looking good. So here it is. We're on the front facing of the iPhone 8. So we got a hair light up in the back, sitting on the bed, because this is actually a bedroom and not a studio like some would like to think it is. Big old umbrellas. 2 of them. The camera lady bailed, but we'll get her back in here. So, hopefully you like it. Alright, well, my overall impressions seems to be good. Doesn't look quite as bright as I thought it would be in the first place in my head, but if it looks good to you guys, let me know down in the comments. I'd really appreciate that. So it'll take a little bit of getting used to, a couple adjustments here and there, seeing how it looks. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. I'd appreciate any comments or suggestions down the bottom there. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys like the lighting kit and the way it looks, there's going to be a link down below. So I'll put a link to my last video here and another to my first ever video down here. I'd definitely appreciate it if you guys check it out. Leave me a comment, any feedback you got. Until next time, this is Schmojo14.